to your new slice of paradise.
This roomy and meticulous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, semi-detached home is located where convenience and amenities meet island living at its coolest and breeziest. The front door opens into a good-sized dining area and living room with tile floors, plenty of natural light, and possibilities for your favorite layout. Up this flight of bamboo-covered stairs, you can find the home's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, one of them en suite to the master, which is located in the rear of the unit and features its very own enclosed porch. Outside, the large landscaped rear and side yard overlooking the 7th hole is tailor-made with barbecue grill and room for a pool. And for those considering an investment purchase, this home has been rented occasionally in season for about $10,000 per month.
Let's put my decades of experience on the island to work for you.